So let's suppose in your class, your homework was worth 5% of your grade, quizzes were worth 25% of your grade, exams are worth 35% of your grade, and finals worth 35% of your grade. Uh, and let me clear this out. Okay, so here let's suppose these are your grades throughout the semester. You had 12 as homework assignments, and you got full credit on each. You see 20 out of 20, 20 out of 20. Okay. Quizzes, you didn't do as well. So, it's your first quiz, you got a 20 out of 36, your second 23 out of 39, quiz 3, 34 out of 43, quiz 4, 27 out of 31, and so on. And your test, you got about a C average on each one of these. And your final, you got a C. And you can see here your exams. First one was out of 82, second was out of 89, and the third one's out of 55. So let's see. So a lot of mistakes that people make when they don't know how to calculate a weighted grade is they simply add up all their points and then divide by the total of all the points. So in other words, what they've earned divided by all the total points possible for each assignment, which is not correct, because if you look at the homework assignments, there's how many of those? There's 12. There's 240 points possible for homework alone. And look at quizzes. I mean, if I added up the quizzes, that's going to be certainly less than 240 points. So you can see that if you did not use a weighted scale, then homework would be worth a lot more of the grade than quizzes, and that shouldn't be. Okay. It may be even more than exams. Yeah, more than exams. So you would have, because homework is worth so much more, if you added up these homework scores, homework would be worth more than exams. And so, once again, that should not be. So that's the number one mistake. And then some people get upset because they feel they didn't. When they calculate, of course, they get a different score. So let me just show you how to correctly add your scores up. So you take your total points earned. So going down here, you have your total points earned, what you've earned on each assignment, and then what they were, and then the total of all those assignments, homework assignments. And then quizzes, what you've earned on your quiz, and then the total points possible for each quiz added up. What you've earned on each exam, and then the sum of all the totals for the exams, and then the same thing for the final. All right, so like I said, in this mock grade sheet here, this student has earned all their homework points, so they get full credit. So that's 240. So we got 240 out of 240, so 240. And then for homework, and that was out of 240. Okay, good. Let's take a look at their quizzes. Well, their quizzes, we got to add those up. All right, let me just clear this out. Okay, so let's see. They got 20, 20, 23, 34, and a 27. Okay, so that's what they earned, so 104. Okay, so 104. And let's see, how much was each one worth? Or what was the total of all of these? So we got 36, 39, 43, and a 31. 149. Okay, 149 there. All right. Let's look at exams. Okay, so exam 1, let's clear this out. So we got a 64.8 plus a 67 plus a 42. 173.8 is what they've earned on the exams. 173.8. And then what was a total? So let's see, 82, 89, so 82, 89, and 55. Oops. Five. 226. All right, and then the final, that we don't have to add up, 60 earned is out of 76. Right. Okay, so how is a weighted grade calculated? Well, like I said, each assignment or each category is out of, here are the percentages up here. Now what you do is you divide. Okay, so let's look at homework. Okay, so over here, these homework percent, quiz percent, exam percent, final percent, that's actually what has been earned for the grade. So here's what you do. You can take, let's see, what is the homework percent earned? So you take 240, so I'm going to put here parentheses 240, divide that by 240, okay? And then you're going to multiply that by 5. And the reason why we're multiplying by 5 is because that is the weight for that category. And it makes sense because if you did everything, then if you got 100%, on homework, you should expect to get 100%. I mean, you should expect to get the full percentage points for that category, and that's what happened there. Okay. Now let's take a look at the quiz. Well, we have 104, divide that by 149, so it's points earned divided by points possible, times the category weight, which was what, 25? And let's see, what is that going to be equal to? We got to calculate that. I thought maybe it was going to do it for me. Let's see. So 104, multiply that by, divide that by 149. Okay, times 25. 17.44. Okay, let's just say 17.545. Maybe that 4 or 5 will make a difference in the end. We'll see. Okay. Exam percentage. Okay, so we take 173 and 0.8. We're going to divide that by 226. Multiply that fraction by the category weight, which is 35. 26, oh, see that one calculated for me. 26.91, and then our final exam. So that's going to be 60 divided by 76 times the weight, which is 35. Do it for me that time. What's the difference? I don't know. Okay, well, I'll do it myself. Okay, so 60 divided by 76, enter, times 35, 27.63. Okay, so just kind of talking about what each one of these percentage means here. Homework earned all the 5%. Of quiz, we earned 17.45 of the 25% possible. For the exams, we earned 26.91% or 92% of the total possible 35, and then final exam 27.63. Okay, so what is the grade now? Let's check it out. All we do is we add these all up. Okay, so the grade, let's see, we got 5 plus 17.45. Come on. This is not behaving. At 17.45. A little bit lag here. Plus 26.92. Oh, yeah, 26. 26.92 plus 27.63, and we get a total of 77. That's the grade. Okay. It all works out. So that is how you calculate your grade when a weighted scale is used. All right. So I hope this video is helpful. I hope this helps you calculate your grade in the class. Let me know if you have any questions about this video. Okay.